Welcome to lessons in RxJS, Mastering the Operators. I'm Hudson Baker, a Senior Enterprise Software Engineer at Briebug. Let's talk about the RxJS operator, distinct. Distinct is a mapping operator that filters out repeat data, only letting unique data continue through the stream. It can filter out user events, objects, or handle simple arrays. For the first example, let's use distinct to filter out repeat names from a list. We will use distinct to only emit unique names from our observable stream. In the next example, there is some legacy data that contains several repeats. I only want one of each entity, so I filter based on the ID property. In the distinct function block, I access the ID property value, and distinct will compare each item based on that value. For the last example, let's say that there is a data stream that will eventually end before a new data stream comes in. We can pass a dependency observable as the flush argument to distinct, and whenever that observable emits, it will reset distinct's cache of previous values. This will reset the cache so that when the new stream of data comes through, it can filter repeats separately. Alternatively, you could wire up your flush observable to a button in the UI and allow the user to reset the cache. Be careful not to get distinct confused with distinct until changed. Distinct keeps a running memory of all values passed through, where distinct until changed does not. Also, distinct does not use deep comparison, so make sure to always compare primitives and use the key selector if you need it. When using distinct for mapping, you may be tempted to create your own function to find unique values. But remember that RxJS more than likely has an operator that solves your issue. Look to the docs first before creating your own solution. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn about similar operators to distinct, check out distinct until key changed and distinct until changed. See you in the next video.